inter-organization transfer. But in same way, sub-inventory transfer also, we have one more different type of transaction is there between the sub-inventory to sub-inventory within the organization. Within the organization. For example, 001. This is the organization. Okay, this is the org. So in this org, what happened? We have a stores. We have a stores. And we have a staging sub-inventories. Staging. And we have a complete sub-inventories. Completed and finished goods. Finished goods sub-inventory. There is a different types of sub-inventories are there. Right. So, this is the organization. Okay. So here what happened? Here what happened? Let's see. In sub-inventory transfer, we already know about in sub-inventory transfer what happened. The material is transferred from one sub-inventory to another sub-inventory. But in the move order also, the material is moving from one sub-inventory to another sub-inventory with some distance. See, for example, some distance means, in same warehouse, what happened? In same warehouse, say for example, 001 warehouse, the store sub-inventory is there in some other location. And finished goods sub-inventory is some other location. That means the manufacturing finished goods sub-inventory is there for city outcuts. And store sub-inventory is there for in city. Right. In between of that, there is a 25 to 30 kilometers or distance is there. Then what I will do is, I am going to move my material by using the move order or movement request. Movement request. But in 001, store sub-inventory, staging sub-inventory, completed sub-inventory, finished sub-inventory, all are in the one location. One location means one warehouse within the one location. Then I am preferring for the sub-inventory transfer. If it is a distance in between of that, see, for example, if you book any washing machine or refrigerator in the Reliance Digital or Bajaj, what happened? Their store is there in the city, their godown is there in the, some others outside of the, or outskirts of the city. Right, they are using for the move order transfer. Is it clear? Any doubts on this theory? So in the move order also, the documentations are comes into the place, but in sub-inventory, there is no any documentations. Directly we are moving the material from stores to any sub-inventory. But in move order, we have a move order request. Okay, we have a move order number, and there is a shipping, there is a receiving. All this will be happening into the move order level. Clear? If it is clear, then we can move for the.
So my question is, like in sub-inventories, in both, like inventory 1 and 2, we create like store staging, all these things we create.
Yes, yes.
And after that, what should we do? Like that receiving and shipping parameters we have to do for both the organizations.
Yes, yes. See,
Can you fully do that, sir? Because
receiving parameters and shipping parameters is mandatory for all inventory organization, either for receiving or shipping. See, always I am not receiving, right? Sometimes I am also shipping.
yes.
So then I need these parameters. That's a mandatory. As a functional consultant, we need to know about once the organization is created, we need to check the shipping and receiving parameters. Okay, what is the transit times? What is the transport methods? All these things. Clear? But here only one warehouse, one organization is coming, one inventory is coming. But in inter-org transfer, two inventory organizations are coming. Okay, let's go to the move order. Move order transfer. So in the move order transfer, I'm already giving this, right? So what are the pre-requisition setups? Pre-requisition setups, nothing is there. Nothing is there for the pre-requisition setups. Okay, so let's performing the application level. So we have already item, right? Go to the supply chain execution. Go to the inventory management. Yesterday we created one inventory organization. So what is that organization? So the pre-requisition setup is only on hand quantity in source sub inventory. That is only the pre-requisition setup. That's what is our Hyderabad. So, let's click on this. So go to here. Let's create a one miscellaneous transaction. This is common for all. Okay. Now, so there is a two sub inventories here. So I'm increasing the on hand quantity in store sub inventory. Okay. So I submitted for this. Okay. Now in store sub inventory, we have a sufficient on hand quantity. Okay. Let's go to. So here, manage movement request. Click on that. So in transfer order, we don't have a directly creating the transfer order by clicking on manage transfer order. Okay. See, transfer order also have same. You can see manage transfer order, but we don't have a chance to create here. Okay. Click on manage request. Okay. So this is the movement request number. Movement request number. Then execution.
So this is similar to sub-inventory transfer, right? We can do sub-inventory transfer.
Yes. Theory already explained. The execution process is click on manage movement request. Okay. Then, so this is the movement request number. As for the movement request setups, the number is automatically generated. Let's go to here. And what is the transfer material? transfer the material. So what is our transaction type? Here there is a two types of transaction types. One is for movement request issue, one is for movement request transfer. Movement request issue means we are issue out the material from our sub inventory to some others. We don't know where we are issuing. So in the real-time scenarios, I will explain this. Okay. This is movement request issue, movement request transfer. There is a two types. Okay. Here, movement request issue and movement request transfer. So I have a quantity of 100. In this 100, what happened? In this 100 quantity, I received this 100 quantity from supplier or some other organization. This is for example, we call it as in this 100, 10 quantities for furniture. 10 quantities for furniture. Okay. So I received this material from supplier. So my organization is received this material, but I am not using this material for next transaction purpose. It is not for the selling purpose. It is only for the office purpose. We are requested the material and we received the material from supplier. Then what I will do is, I will receive the material. Then I am doing one miscellaneous issue. By using this issue, I am issuing this 10 quantity to my official purpose. Okay, I am giving the explanation here on description. Issue this material to so and so department, not for selling. Okay, it is office purpose. I am giving the explanation here. Okay, if I am going to create a movement request issue. See, I have 100 quantity. In 100 quantity, 10 quantity I am issuing. How much quantity is there in the on hand? 90. Okay, that 90 can be eligible for transactions. This 10 is, I am moving this 10 quantity to asset maintenances. Asset. Furniture is the asset. Fridge is the asset. Washing machine is the asset. Asset. Okay, then I am going to using for miscellaneous movement request issues. Okay, clear? Any doubt? For sub-inventory to sub-inventory, sub-inventory to sub-inventory transfer, I am using the movement request transfer. Okay. So now the transaction type is movement request transfer. Movement request transfer. Then click on here. So here also you can provide the source sub-inventory and destination sub-inventory. Okay. Then what is my item? So how much quantity I am issuing? Transferring 10 quantity. From which sub-inventory to which sub-inventory you need to provide the details. Stores to staging, destination, staging. Okay. Then don't provide anything. If any additional details are there, you can provide the additional details here. Okay. Just click on submit. So movement request is submitted successfully. Okay. Now, can you verify the on-hand quantity? Is this material is transferred successfully or not? Let's see. $121 material is there. Previously 11 is there. See, all the material is there in the stores, but we are moving 10 quantity to staging sub-inventory, right? But why staging sub-inventory not comes into the place? 10 quantity is not applicable, 10 quantity is not moving here. If you transfer the material by using sub-inventory to sub-inventory, then material is automatically comes into the place, right? But in the moment request, the material is not into the sub-inventory level. So after this, what we need to do is, okay, after this, what we need to do, we need to run one program. Print movement request, pick slip report. Go to the tools, schedule program, schedule new process, print movement request, pick slip report. This one, okay. By using this program, this is schedule program. By using this program, we are picking the material and we can print that pick slip report from here. Okay, let's see, run that pick slip report. So in which organization level we are running? Hyderabad 001. Okay, what is the movement request number? The movement request number you need to provide. See this one only, right? Maybe only one movement request is created up to now. Okay, select this movement request. Okay, here what are the parameters you need to enable? Released approved lines. Click on yes. Okay, other than that, no need to, okay, no need to enable any checkboxes. Just submit. Let's see, the report is giving any errors or any missing setups are there in the inventory level. It is giving the report level. Now it is completed. Let's see the data is picking or not successfully. If you go to here, click on republish. From here, just click on PDF. See, this is the movement request number. Now you can see pick slip number is this. Okay, movement request number is this. The material is 10. Now it is in the open picks. Okay, the report is created. See, in the sub-inventory transfer, we are not getting this type of reports, this type of report documents. Right, there is no any reporting, there is no any documentation supports in the sub-inventory to sub-inventory transfer. But here in the movement request, so we are getting this movement request pick slip report. So what is the pick slip number? This one. Now, copy this pick slip, go to the organization level, verify that in the infolet, whether our pick slip number is generated or not. But in the report level, it is generated. Let's verify in the front end. Now you can see in the Hyderabad organization, one open pick slip number is there here. Okay. Here. So or else just go to here, go to the picks and confirm pick slip. Click on confirm pick slip. So what is the pick slip number? We already copied the pick slip number. Okay. Print movement request pick slip. This is the pick slip number. Okay. Next, click on confirm pick slip. One. And this is the pick slip number. This is the movement request number. Now search. If it is already confirmed, not an issue. If it is not confirmed, it is taking time to. Now you can see the open status. Pick status is open status. Okay, click on this. Click on pick slip number. Okay, ready to confirm. Click on this. How much quantity you want to pick, that you need to enter here. If it is a serial number, that serial number you need to enter at the time of picking the material. Okay, now click on confirm and close. So once it is completed, now you can verify the on-hand status. Now it is completed. Click on OK. Now you can see confirm today. Confirm today. If you click on see what is the status of picks now. Now this is confirmed. So now you can see source sub-inventory is stores. Destination sub-inventory is this. Okay. Now verify the on-hand quantity in staging sub-inventory. Is this 10 quantity material is reached to sub-inventory or not? From here itself, it is same organization, not for different organization. Okay. Let's transfer our item, right? Click on this. Now you can see 121 is there. Let's see as of now. Now you can see staging sub-inventory have 10 quantity. Store sub-inventory have a 1 quantity. Okay. So here from stores to staging, by using movement request, we transferred the material successfully by using movement request. In the movement request, the pick slip number and move order number and the movement request is the one document and confirm pick slip, that is a pick slip is the one document will comes into the place. In whereas sub-inventory transfer, we are not getting this. Okay, same as transfer. Any doubts on this? Team, any doubt? Clear?
Yes,
Hello. Yeah. Okay.